Hello children. Today we are going to focus on the chapter digestive system and excretory system. Before moving forward, let me explain what system means. All the organs that work together to perform a specific function, these organs make up a system. And what is a digestive system? All the organs that perform the function of digestion make up the digestive system. Okay children, before moving forward, let me explain what digestion means. Digestion means breaking down of food into smaller particles. Okay. Digestive system is made up of different organs such as mouth, esophagus. Esophagus is also called food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. This food is digested in these organs of the digestive system. Okay, so let us see how food is digested as it passes through these organs. First, mouth. Digestion begins in the mouth. That is, food is broken down by the teeth. You all have teeth in your mouth, children, and whenever you eat the food, it gets broken down into smaller pieces with the help of teeth, and saliva is mixed in it. What does saliva do? It is actually a digestive juice which makes your food wet. And unless and until your food is wet, you won't be able to swallow it. So it just helps your food to get swallowed easily. Okay, so from mouth, your food goes into the food pipe. Food pipe is like a stretchy pipe. It connects your mouth to the stomach. Okay, when you swallow a small bit of mashed up food or liquid, okay, this food pipe enables it to move forward and pushes the food down into the stomach. Okay children, so third organ of the digestive system is stomach. This stomach is actually a sac shaped. Okay, you can also call it a container. So it has three important jobs to do. First, to store the food that you have eaten. Second function, it breaks down the food you have eaten into a liquidy mixture. That is, it converts the food you have eaten into a thick soup. Okay. And then third function, it slowly empty that liquid mixture into the small intestine. Okay, so whatever soup is there in the stomach, it goes directly into the small intestine. So small intestine is your next organ of the digestive system. When food reaches the small intestine, more digestive juices get mixed in it. Okay, the small intestine breaks down the food mixture even more, so your body can absorb all the vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates and fats that are there in your food. Okay, these organs send different juices to the first part of the small intestine. These juices help to digest food and allow the body to absorb nutrients. So main function of small intestine is to absorb nutrients from the food which you have eaten. Okay, then from small intestine, the food goes into the large intestine. Okay, whatever is left of the food in the small intestine goes into the large intestine. What is the function of large intestine? Main function is that whatever extra water is remaining in the food, okay, it is absorbed by blood in the large intestine. So in small intestine, children, nutrients are absorbed, and in large intestine, extra water is absorbed. Okay, this water is taken to the kidneys and later it passes out as urine. Okay, solid waste is left behind in the large intestine, which goes out of your body through the anus as excreta. So this is how digestion takes place in your digestive system, children. Now we'll study about how to grow strong and healthy. That is eating well. Okay, you have to take special care of what you're eating and also how you're eating. So first point is to take balanced diet. What is balanced diet, children? It is an equal portion of the nutrients which you are taking. For example, vitamins, proteins, carbohydrate, fats, you have to take equal proportion from all these nutrients. Okay, only then you will be having a balanced diet. It is not good for you to eat preserved food. They may be harmful sometimes. So you should try to have fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, second point is you have to chew your food very well. Okay, if you would not chew your food well, your stomach has to do extra work. Okay, so food has to be chewed properly to get digested better. Okay, you can help your digestive system by drinking water and eating a healthy diet that includes food rich in fiber. So high fiber food like fruits, vegetables, whole grains make it easier to pass through your system. Third point is regular timing. We should be regular about meal timings. Okay, we should also be regular with bowel movements. This helps to keep the digestive system clean and in good working condition. And fourth point is relax and enjoy. Okay, take proper sleep and relax. Sit for a while after eating. Okay, we should concentrate on only our food when eating. Okay, not on any other thing. Or we should not start running, start playing just after you've eaten something. So you should sit down and relax for a while. Okay, so all these points will help you in growing strong and healthy.